Oh my gosh, ZJ, stop!
I already said, let's order another one. You know what she does? She unscrews it.
She like, I'm on video, I gotta be nice now. So yesterday, or actually Monday, we got the electrical finished with this wall. My husband has a good friend who is an electrician, and he came over and helped my husband set up the electricity because it was this switch controlled all the electricity in this whole entire basement except the bathroom. We got that room electricity separated from the rest of the basement, which screw it. This is what it's looking like right now. It's pretty bad. And then they also got it set up to where her closet, which is this area here, has its own electricity as well. So it's pretty awesome. And then we're having somebody come over next Wednesday to tape and mud the walls so that we can paint them. There's the closet. Going to Torchy's Tacos.
I got the cheese and you, I got the chicken and you got the cheese. Then why are you taking my cheese? I got the wrong one. Oh, we got the wrong one.
ZJ, stop! Come on.
I remember seeing a bunch of letters.
Oh, you just got the receipt. What up, y'all? So we made it home and I tasked the kids with putting together our new stools. So we'll see how they do. We'll see how they do is what I just said, but Luke cut me off.
Brown pieces.
You looking at step one?
Yeah.
So you gotta do 2 of them. That big mouth right there. Phoenix is still downstairs asleep and I'm not even gonna tell you guys what time it is. Oh, wait, she's actually up.
Oh. Hey, can you do the rest?
Don't you chase me.
This screw will go all the way in.
Because you gotta keep turning it. That's the thing. The more you turn it, the more it goes into That's why it's called a screw. Yes. What did you do?
No, I mean, come over here and look.
Are you talking about the gaps?
No, I mean, like, look at that. That does not look even.
Because they're not screwed in all the way. We're just keeping it simple for now.
I mean,
Let's
this.
do this. I know, because we're not done. We're not done. Get the instructions, please. It's all right. It doesn't have to be straight yet. Like I said, when all 4 legs are in, then it will be straight.
You guys are pretty much done. No, we're not. We're not.
Wait,
Take your time. It's okay. There's no rush. We're not in competition. I just want you guys to have fun doing it together.
Look at
Or not even have fun, but
Look at
just
Lucas's
work
face.
together.
Z, you're not even doing anything. You think she won't? I already said let's get another one. You know what she does? She unscrews it.
So Phoenix took over the project ZJ was working on, and he's gonna start on a new project. Use the instruction. Yeah, the instructions will make it easier for you, trust me. Whip it, Gabe.
Stop.
Put on the other one.
Let's go. Oh, if I'm not mistaken, it should be.
Look at the instructions. Perfect. Put all your weight on it. Good job.
This. I'm confused.
Well, I need you to figure out how you can put the other side on there easily.
Oh, you mean turn it? Well, I can turn. We'll have to screw it. Shouldn't we just screw this in first?
No.
This isn't even gonna work.
Why isn't it?
I don't know.
We'll make it work because it's created to work. Make sure the holes are lined up. You can look under it if you need to. Okay, now let's start getting the screws in. Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
I can't tell which is what.
I did not say that. She didn't say it again. She like, I'm on video. I gotta be nice now.
Putting my weight on him? No, I'm not. You're not braiding my ears. I just find it. Courtney, I swear to God. Hey, how about you give me $2?
Let me see your picture.
Okay, I'll give you $2. These are 2 Tahoes, and that says Chevrolet. Here, look back to that one. I like the Chevrolet one. Hi, Judy.
Awesome.
When I talked to her, I'm like, well, when I talked to her, she was at IKEA, and I said, when I told her I was coming over, she didn't say anything. I said, text her again, maybe she didn't. She's like,
Fam, I am so sorry. My battery died and I don't remember what we were talking about. But tell me your favorite or least favorite part of the video in the comments and let's discuss it. Thanks for watching.